In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock apps on iPhone. If your iPhone is running iOS 18 or later. Here is now a built-in way to lock individual apps so they can only be opened with Face ID or your passcode. This is perfect when you want a little extra privacy for apps like banking, notes, or photos without installing anything extra. Here is how it works. Start on your home screen or in the app library, whichever is easiest for you. Find the app you want to protect. Press and hold its icon until the Quick Actions menu appears. You don't need to drag the app or enter jiggle mode. Just keep your finger on the icon for a moment and the menu will pop up. In that menu, look for the option labeled Require Face ID. Tap it once. You will see a confirmation prompt. Tap Require Face ID again to confirm. At this point, your iPhone will ask you to authenticate, either with Face ID or your device passcode. Go ahead and authenticate when prompted. If your device doesn't use Face ID, you will see Require Passcode instead, and that works the same way. That's it, the app is now locked. From now on, whenever you or anyone else tries to open that app, your iPhone will immediately ask for Face ID or your passcode before it lets you in. This applies whether you launch it from the home screen, the app library, or even via search. If Face ID doesn't recognize you, for example, if you are wearing a mask, you can always enter your passcode to proceed. Using this built-in feature is a quick way to add a strong layer of protection, and it only takes a few seconds to set up. Once you've locked an app, you can use your iPhone normally, knowing that opening that app requires your Face ID or passcode every time. Thanks for watching.